Alright, so today we are going to set up a brand new Kaba RT Plus lock. This is F79PS, so 79 Plus or RT Plus model. If you have just ordered the housing, this is what it comes in the box. This handle without a cylinder. If you have ordered everything for your property or the hotel, the cylinders come separately with its own keyed version. Each of them will have a number, and then you will be mailed the so-called master key from the company. What you're gonna do is place the key in and keep it ready. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is assemble the lever. Now there's going to be a tiny bit right here. You see this? This is something we want to make sure that it goes inside. Right now I'm pressing it, but it's unable to do so. In order to do that, we need to put this cylinder in and then rotate it. See, I put it in, I rotated it, and now I can press this in. If you look closely, this thing is in. Once that is in, that's when we go ahead and take the cylinder out. We take our trusty handle. Also, we take our key out. So we rotate this back, and then we take the key out. Right? We place the cylinder back in. Make sure it aligns. There are grooves underneath this, and then there are grooves underneath this. So make sure they're aligned. Right? Once this is set, you are going to go ahead and put the handle. Now, as you can see, the handle have these so-called grooves, right? And these have grooves. So you want to make sure that you put in either this way or this way. Now, you want to make sure that it aligns up. This one is not aligning. I put it in here. It aligns, but this side is not. Actually, it does. My bad. So once it does align, you want to make sure this is still in there, right, intact, and then you're going to want to put your handle in. Now this depends on, you know, is your lock right-handed or left-handed. That's how you're gonna define this position of the cylinder. Once the handle is inside, make sure you tilt the lock upside down, so that little pin that we saw, right, that's always, by the force of gravity, it's always pointing down. It doesn't come out. So you push this in, you lock it back up, and you take the key off. Now what you want to make sure is take it off. You see, right now it's locked. Oops, apparently it's not. This is why you test it. So put this back in there. I'll put this one more time. Oh, okay, so what you want to do is now hold it down and then turn it back on and do this. So hopefully this time it is locked. So the key is, when the lever is down and you're holding upside down, right, whenever you start to do this, the process, you want to make sure that you turn the key and then hold it upside down. So now it is, by gravity, it's coming down, and then pull the key back out and then tighten it up, right? So, well, the key is good to go. Now we move on to the programming. A key information in this is you have these in the box. We did forget to put this in. So we're gonna do this again.